Can you say Merry Christmas?
Food card on your leg.
Ah! Number one.
Nom nom nom.
Are you big chillin' Cam? Or are you peeing on me? Are you peeing on
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Do you have Instagram? No. Snapchat? Still no. Then what do you have? A life?
Dude, that's my nipple!
Straight laser to the bozo's dome.
Oh! Oh, are you okay?
You love your puppy. Yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
This is a domestic short hair. A long tail, big nuts, spread, and a big nice face.
Kiss your cat and see how they react.
So yan naman.
I literally watched her dig it out of the hole right when you were in it. I'm about to stomp that thing. Cheddar cheese? There's so much cheese. Oh my god.
If you
Ow! Eli! Where is he? No. Where's Cat? I'm scared.
Keep your floss.
Yo and La Vida.
I've only heard stories. Don't know if I was ever asked to join the army. I had to look the old father.
What's up these stairs? Come on, let's go. What's up these stairs, Chewie?
What's up? A homeless person. Oh my goodness.
Get off my Diet Coke. Stop it. Mishi, come back now.
Rawr.
You have another one.
Oh, Ginger. Ginger.
Ginger.
Ginger.
I'm returning this. I don't like it.
Come here, buddy. Berlioz. Come here, bud. Come on.
Be aware of your surroundings.
Looking right at us. Spencer! No! No, Spence! Dead set, no! No! He's crying. He's actually has tears in his eyes. We like to fuck off.
Let go. That's not your pizza.
Hit a high note.
I see you. I know you're doing nothing.
You said you have a connection to this planet.
What the hell is this? Get out of me. Get out. There's still a donut in there. Oh my god. What's in? Whoa! Oh my god. Are you okay, Stelly?
Just so you know, Mom, I am about to do something that is very, very big, very important. When you hear about it, you're going to be very...
Both hands on top of the dough and use your body weight to push the dough into itself. Use a scraper to pull the dough off the board if it sticks. Then sprinkle a little more flour onto the dough and the...
¡Ay, un gatito! Un gatito, ¡ay, qué hermoso, mi vida, qué hermoso! ¡Ay, me lo voy a llevar!
Here they are. She said, knock it off.
Winston. Why? Hey. Oh my god. Winston? Everybody. Jesus. Ready, Soup?
I wonder how many things have been lost down that vent. Oh shit.
I had my lovely little assistant here today attack me.
during my lovely video. Get down. Come here. Come here.
Okay, step 1, you have to touch the belly and then you have to pet the cat. From there, you immediately have to start patting. Pat until the cat turns around to bite you, and then push it over. This disables the kill drive. And once those steps are completed, you are free to belly rub. I have tested this on every cat, including your cat. You're welcome.
How old are you? You 5? Yeah.
You look so handsome.
God, what the hell? What mischief is this? I didn't even know these existed. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
It's nap time, Wolfie. It's nap time, Wolfie. Good night, Wolfie.
Oh!
Why are you weird? But I won't it.
Can you come here? I gotta tell you something. I gotta tell you something. Can you sit? Good. You're adopted. I'm sorry.
What in the fuck is in my back seat? Dad.
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. What song are you listening to? Thank you.
I found somebody's whisker lying around the house. Guess what? Now you're a unicorn.
No, it's 2 cats and a raccoon. They're best friends. Raccoon? A duck.
Covered.
Andy, guess what? Chicken butt.
See what this is? It's a thumb. You sadly don't have one, but that's okay. You do know what you do have? A paw.
Ow! He is not biting.
Thanks a lot, Mommy.
Kitty. Kitty on my leg. Kitty with an egg. Kitty on a plow. Kitty say, ka-chow.
What the?
Banana.
Patchy. 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 Say hello to TikTok. Say yes, I have a big nose. But I...
Yeah, now I'm panicking.
Don't panic.
No, I am, because I'm going to lose my job.
1 minute. Thank you for your patience.
I'm telling you this right now. If you die, then I die. Alright, so you can't die.
I work hard to make this house a home.
My name is Gustavo. Hands are trained for this little one. You can't defeat me. You are just a baby.
I just soaked my cat.
Hello? Hello?
Show something you regret buying and what you turned it into.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you?
Hey.
Yeah. Oh my god! You're such a numpty! How am I supposed to get you out?
All right, mate.
Is this real life?
And the grammar, the present participles, and I explain what that is. And also
Are you okay, dude? What the?
Look at all this. Look what you're doing, dude. Get out. Out. That's it. Out. Come on. Come on. Get out.
You just jumped in my van. What the? You gotta get down. You are one dirty cat.
Can I like shit in peace, man?
Get off of him! Get off of him! Get off of him!
Hey, Tholi, can you say hi?
Te vas a ir de acá. Te vas a ir de acá.
Hey, buddy.
Oh.
You got this, buddy. No, he's gonna make it.
Noodle, are you a cat? You are? Okay. Now this is a Turkish Angora cat. He's very fluffy and sweet.